Ever wondered why some individuals seem to have a knack for multiplying their wealth effortlessly? The secret could lie in the power of starting early. You see, the concept of early investment isn't just about putting your money into stocks or bonds as soon as you can. It's about understanding the true potential of your money and giving it ample time to work its magic. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. The longer the hill, the more time the snowball has to gather snow, increase in size, and pick up speed. That's exactly how early investment works. It's the magic of compounding. The process where your earnings generate even more earnings over time. And the longer this process is allowed to unfold, the more dramatic the end results can be. This is why starting early gives your wealth the best possible chance to multiply. Remember, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Investing may seem daunting, but it can be broken down into simple, accessible steps. Step 1. Setting clear financial goals. This is your compass, your North Star. It's the answer to the question, why am I investing? Perhaps you're saving for a house, a car, or your retirement. Or maybe you're looking to build wealth over time. Your goals will guide your investment strategy, dictating how much you invest, where you invest, and for how long. Next, understanding different investment options. Think of these as the vehicles that will get you to your destination. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, these are just some of the many instruments at your disposal. Each has its own risk and reward profile, and understanding these is key to making informed decisions. Do your research, read up, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Knowledge is power after all. Step 3. Assessing risk tolerance. This is about understanding your own comfort level with risk. Are you willing to tolerate short-term losses for potential long-term gains? Or would you prefer a more conservative approach, prioritizing preservation of capital over high returns? There's no right or wrong answer here. It's all about what feels right for you. Finally, regularly reviewing and adjusting your investment portfolio. This is not a set it and forget it game. The market changes, and so do your financial goals and circumstances. Regularly reviewing your portfolio allows you to make necessary adjustments, ensuring your investments continue to align with your goals. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Investing isn't a one-time event but a journey. It requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn and adapt. So buckle up, stay informed, and remember, the most important step in this journey is the one you're about to take. Happy investing. So what's the big picture here? Let's take a moment to reflect on the key points we've discussed in this video. Firstly, we explored the power of early investment. Remember, the sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. This is the magic of compound interest, where your earnings generate even more earnings. Secondly, we demystified the process of investment. We walked through the steps of defining your financial goals, choosing the right investment options, and creating a diversified portfolio. Lastly, we emphasized the importance of ongoing management of your investment portfolio. It's not just about setting and forgetting. Regularly reviewing your investments ensures that they continue to align with your goals and risk tolerance. The bottom line? Investing isn't just for the wealthy or the old. It's a tool that everyone can leverage, regardless of age or income. Investing early can set the stage for a financially secure future. The time to start is now. Ready to embark on your investment journey? Imagine a world where your money works for you, even while you sleep. That's the power of investing. But it doesn't happen overnight. It's a long game, and the key is to start early. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Think about it. Every dollar you invest is like a seed. When you plant that seed and nurture it over time, it can grow into a mighty tree. Your investments are no different. Every dollar you invest today has the potential to multiply over the years, creating a forest of wealth for your future. So why wait? Take that first step. Open an investment account. Start learning about different investment options. Seek advice from financial experts. And remember, you don't have to be a millionaire to start investing. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Your financial journey is no different. Start investing today, and watch your wealth grow over time.